Welcome to Wilmot Gardens, where plants and people grow together. Our therapeutic horticulture program serves multiple groups each week: young adults with developmental disabilities, college students in distress, adults in addiction recovery, and psychiatric patients. Each week, we find hope and resilience through hands-on interaction with plants. We believe that gardening isn't just about growing plants, it's about growing confidence, community, and resilience. Our new raised bed garden, donated by the Wilder Family Foundation, is designed for everyone. And with the National Garden Bureau's support, we can enrich our soil, purchase sensory and edible plants, and we can introduce small trees to create garden microclimates that will really expand our growing potential. But our mission goes deeper. We are also dedicated to conducting research, and we envision a future where therapeutic horticulture is recognized as a valid, evidence-based therapy covered by insurance, prescribed by doctors, and embraced by the community. With your help, we'll nurture growth in plants, in people, and in the science that supports them.